there's a bunch of different ways you can try and find studs. If you don't have a stud finder, you can kind of look along this wall. This is actually plastered, so you're probably not going to see the screws, but sometimes you can see the screw heads if it's not done perfectly. Another thing you can do is look directly down to baseboard if there's nails in the baseboard about every 16 inches where the studs should be. Then you can follow that up and put a test nail in here and find the studs. But stud finder is always good to have, and I have this one right here, so we're going to go along and find some studs. This is just going to recognize that there's a screw. So there's a stud right there. It even has a center indicator. So this should be the center of my first stud. And just to be sure that there's nothing in here, I'll start it right here and go over this way and find my next stud. It's right there. We'll find the center. There we go. So that should be the center right here. There's my two studs. So now we have an unfortunate situation that you might run into as well, because even though these should be 16 inches apart, for some reason they are actually 18 3/8 to center. So that is not great for my mount. Some mounts you can go up to 24 inches, but with mine, you can't. So this is nice though, that it comes with a template, but as you can see, if I got one bolt in here, and you look over here, I'm about 3.5 inches off. So what are my options for this? You can see right here, it says, do not install into drywall alone. You do want to hit something solid. So with this particular mount, they do have extensions to go up to 24 inches that you can order, or they recommend putting a piece of plywood or some kind of scrap wood, or you can make it nice piece of trim. I am actually just going to shift this over so that it's more in a place that's centered in the mount, and then over here I'm going to do some anchors, and I think that's going to be plenty. But you can stick to the instructions, do what you want, however you want. I think I'm going to be fine.